In this video, I will show you how you can hide apps on any iPad. But before we start, just make sure you set a lock for the lock screen of your iPad. After you do that, then just tap and hold on the app which you want to hide and select Require Passcode. From this pop-up menu, just select Hide and Require Passcode. And after you do that, then just enter the passcode of the lock screen and select Hide App. And by doing that, you will hide the selected app from your iPad. Just like that. Now, if you want to get access for the apps which you have hidden, just swipe to the left side and open the app library. And in the app library, you will find a folder called Hidden. Now just tap on the hidden folder and enter your lock screen PIN. And after you do that, you will find the apps which you have hidden. Just like that. And this is how you can hide apps on any iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.